Swati. I'm a journalist and also a food writer. I'm here at Novotel for the mango mixing ceremony.
So we have always seen cake mixing, and how different is mango mixing? That
It-
also under the mango tree.
Exactly, it's a very unique concept, and I'm very happy to be here because avakaya is a big part of Hyderabad. I love avakaya, and here we are having a mango mixing ritual with a bit of contemporary, stuff thrown in. We've had mango-based cocktails, mango-based sushi, a lot of other things. So I'm really looking forward to this. Chef has also added activated charcoal, which is good. It's made of coconut husk. So it's going to be very different. I'm looking forward, absolutely.
I'm Lasya.
Lasya ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది ఈరోజు under the mango tree?
I think it's a quite unique concept. I've never done it before. It's my first time, so I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, what did you taste here? Their faludas and their drinks.
Yeah, I've tasted a unique mango ice cream that they made out of their own mangoes from the trees, as well as a few drinks.
So ఆవకాయతో మీ ఎమోషన్ ఏంటి?
Honestly, I don't eat pickles that much, but
You eat mangoes?
yep, I love mangoes.
Hi, I'm Neha.
So Neha, tell me, under the mango tree, what's happening?
Under the mango tree is arm is not arm. Today, arm mein khas it is now. So we are excited to do something more interesting activity. So yeah.
So what is the best part about tasting so many things with mango? What is the emotion with mango you have?
So I mean, it's obviously nostalgic. You know, we all have eaten all type of mangoes when we were kids. So it's like going back in time, and you know, it's like becoming a child, looking at so many varieties, saying that okay, it's not just mango shake or a mango. It's so many things you can do about. So that's interesting.
Your emotion with mango. What do you think of mango?
So I'm basically from Bihar, and you know that in Bihar mango is love. So I love the mango, and I'm enjoying here. Like literally, like in Hyderabad, it's the first time, and I literally enjoying these things. Mango ka something like achar is there. I literally love this one. So I just want to see that and how it is look like, and I want to just taste these things.
How is the pickle mixing?
I will do that and I will enjoy literally. And because in my my home, my mom is used to doing this, so I will try now. Thank you.
So Under the Mango Tree is a very experiential kind of dining experience, and here we cater to very intimate small dining experiences where chef curates the menu, and yeah, this can also be a small get together or family get together.
So hello, hi, Novotel. I'm Anita Nair, the Director of Marketing at Novotel Hyderabad Convention Center and HICC. So we have Under the Mango Tree, which is a very, very USP and a exclusive experience that only happens at Novotel Hyderabad Convention Center. It's like a destination dining. It is a destination dining, experiential dining experience for all guests. You can come here to come and propose to your girlfriend or to your boyfriend. You can come to do a romantic dinner, whether it's Valentine's Day or Christmas or any day that you feel like doing something special for your special one. You can come here with your family for a nice private dinner, and you can make your own meal. You can choose whatever you want in the special dinner. It's a special chef's dinner. And you can even do corporate events for your VIP guests, or like for intimate 15-20 guests. You can do a nice girls dinner thing over here, just about 5-10 people. It's a very exclusive experience, and it's very intimate and it's very private, but it's something which will really be unforgettable. The memories will be really beautiful. You'll never forget, because it's one of a kind experience where you'll never get anywhere else.
We have seen cake mixing. What is mango mixing?
So we in India, we all love our pickles, right? And if you ask anyone, their favorite pickle will always be mango pickle, and mango being the king of fruits. So this is a traditional, but we put a modern twist in it, and we are showing how you can mix, how we mix your mangoes for your mango pickle. So because it's an open area, and we have our own mango tree here, and the mangoes in our from our mango tree are really sweet and really tasty. And we actually have got now a special mango menu for the under the mango tree. So for this 1-2 months, you all can come and have the special under the mango tree, a mango special dinner for under the mango tree. So it's all, whether it's desserts or main course or starters, there'll always be mango in the special ingredient in every dish.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, well, this is a different experience. We've not done this earlier. We've done cake mixing, but pickle mixing is something for the first time that I think we are doing. So it's interesting.
What did you have here?
Um, well, I've just come in, so nothing yet. So I would be trying definitely. Looks interesting, and mangoes. Who doesn't love mangoes?
The king of the fruit, so nobody would not like this fruit. And then there's so many different varieties here, different varieties of mangoes. So excited to do this. Yeah. Thank you.